Not a flippant thing. This would be the end of everything.
More of a disaster.
So for that, and also the good shall triumph even cannot hide from me. The reason why I said they're separate lines is they are actually separate thoughts.
Okay.
So there's sort of different moods of yours. So try it again from whoops, do I see a split end?
Whoops! Do I see a split end? That would be a catastrophe!
Nice.
Good shall triumph. Evil cannot hide from me. I need a squire I can brag to. I mean that I can tell of my adventures so that he can save them for the rest of the world.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.